This road was supposed to, do you know, the entire project was supposed to be ended by June last year. Eight months afterwards. This is 8 months after this project was supposed to have, all the entire project was supposed to have ended. No, you don't have the capacity. You don't have the capacity to do the job. You are now, this project was supposed to last for 9 months. 9 months. And you were mobilized September 10. September 10 to February 10 this year. Yeah, from September 10 to June 10 was 9 months. So this project ought to have ended by June 10 last year. Now this is February 20th. This is the 9th month after it was supposed to have ended. So double the period when you are supposed to have delivered this project. It becomes very, very evident that your company is totally incompetent and irresponsible. Totally incompetent and irresponsible. After we paid you 50% mobilization, there's no place else in the country that pays 50% mobilization. Never other places that even pays 15% mobilization. Paid you 50% mobilization. 2022. And this project was supposed to be delivered June last year. 9 months after, you haven't delivered. You are still at 40-something%. Today and here, I terminate this contract. Here, today, this contract is over. We are going to calculate what you are going to refund back to the state government. You can move your things out here. From tomorrow, I'm looking for somebody else to start this project. So you can remove your stuff from here going forward. Okay? And totals of had the 9 roads in the Okpoko.
Especially going to finish here by now. June last year, I'm going to finish here. Adiam Kamale to Soludo. However, knows since last year, even 9 months after Fakweselo Siberia. Yakambia kita abagomfa paka pakolongongo basina Anambra wenaba. I got total ndị ọzọ ga-alụ ya ozugbo. I got total ndị ọzọ ga-alụ ya ozugbo now. I ga-ebido ịlụgharị ya. Ụlọ na-egekwa ntị.